Hello, today we'll prepare tropical fried rice. The fried rice you should prepare for that special occasion. It's time to move away from the classic fried rice for a bit and try something that will challenge your taste buds. Here are the ingredients you will need. Prepare some coconut milk with the coconut and set that aside. And because I'll be serving this fried rice with the pineapple, I wash it squeaky clean with a brush. I can imagine all the places this pineapple has been. Then prepare the pineapple bowl. Cut the juicy part into tiny pieces. And juice the fibrous core. You can also blend it and sieve. Please note that I am using half of the pineapple for all this. Cut the chicken breast like this. And pre-cook the long grain parboiled rice. For this quantity of rice that I'm cooking, once the water boils, add the rice and cook for about 10 minutes. Or till you can easily cut the grain of rice with your fingernail. Pour into a sieve to drain, then cool it down with cool water. All the ingredients are ready. Next, steam the chicken breast with the following ingredients: pineapple juice, coconut milk, onions, thyme, oregano, seasoning cube, and curry powder. This is Nigerian curry powder, not the spicy Indian curry powder. Then cook the drumsticks with the same ingredients, but this time in bigger quantities. Cover and cook till the chicken is done. Remove from the pot and add the pre-cooked rice. Stir to make sure that the liquid is at the same level as the rice. If not, top it up. If the liquid is too much, the rice will be soggy when done. Add salt and start cooking on low to medium heat. Meanwhile, grill the chicken in the oven. Once the water in the rice dries up, it is done. Transfer to another container to cool down. Heat up some carrot oil. Add the diced onions and fry for about 30 seconds. I divided all the ingredients into 3, so I'm going to fry this in 3 batches. So this is batch number 1. Add some chicken and fry till you see signs of browning. I'm frying everything on high heat. Add some pineapples, green peas, sweet pepper, and fry for about 1 minute. At this time, you can smell the pineapples. Add 1/3 of the rice and fry for about 1 minute. Add salt if necessary, and that's it for the first batch. I fry the remaining batches the same way. Make my carrot juice and enjoy. Bye bye. See you soon.